You don't want to have to drive home with your wetsuit strapped to the roof of your car because it smells like a dirty swamp. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to deodorize all of your neoprene accessories. Let's check it out. How's it going, dive buddies? It is Cal here, and believe me when I tell you, you do not want to be that dive buddy. The smelly one. The one that when you take off your wetsuit, all of your buddies run straight back into the water away from you. Luckily for you, there's an easy solution for this. So what's happening when your wetsuits and your neoprene accessories begin to smell funny is that enzymes and the little floating creatures that are in those different waters that you're diving begin to latch onto your wetsuits and your neoprene, and they begin to slowly rot and to smell funny. And that is where enzyme cleaners come in handy. So there are many different companies that sell enzyme cleaners. Some of them have creative names, like this particular one is called Sink the Stink. And some of them don't have creative names, they just have standard names for enzyme cleaners or sports equipment deodorizers and stuff like that. So all you need to do is to gear up in your hazmat suit, gather all of your smelly neoprene in a tub or a giant bin, take a small packet of deodorizer and fill the bucket or tub with some water, then add the deodorizer and soak the neoprene for a little while until everything is completely saturated. Then all you need to do is hang to dry. There's no need to rinse or scrub. So depending on the potency of your stink, you may need to double down on the enzyme cleaner and or the soaking time to allow for dealing with that extra stink. So the key to all of this is to obviously stay on top of it. I usually clean my wetsuit about once every season, usually at the end of the season, if I've done what I consider to be like a moderate amount of diving. And sometimes even I will do a second wash mid-season if I've been diving in some waters that I would consider to be kind of particularly gross, or swamps, or just smaller quarries that might have some questionable water. You know, I want to be able to enjoy my post-dive hangout social time as much as the dive itself, and I don't want my dive buddies running back into the water away from me just because I smell gross. So stay on top of it, rinse your suits, wash your suits, enjoy some fresh smelling dives. If you don't do it for your dive buddies, at least do it for the fish. I'm sure they appreciate having some nice divers down there that smell at least somewhat half decent. And definitely don't forget to share this video with your smelliest dive buddies so they too can know how to freshen up their wetsuit for the betterment of all of your dive buddies. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and maybe consider subscribing to the Dive Wagon. We'd love to have you on board. See you next time, and happy diving.